Thank you for joining us for this week's KHSD News. I'm Erin Briscoe-Clark. The second semester kicked off this week with students and staff offering encouraging messages to keep pushing forward.
Hey Titans, my name is Isabel Terrasas, and since we're in a brand new year, I'd like to share this inspiring quote written by L. Goodman for a positive mindset for the brand new year.
Hey Titans, it's Sophie Rosander. I hope all of you are doing well. I want to remind you guys to keep moving forward and keep staying strong, and we are all really proud of you. Have a great week, Titans.
What's up, drillers? This is Coach Stewart checking in. 2020 is in the books, but 2021 is now upon us. Let's get out here, let's stay focused, let's be excited about this new year, this new semester. I'm excited and I hope you are too. Now is the time to keep that pedal on the metal. Don't lay back, don't slack up. Let's keep pushing forward until we meet again. And until then, keep 6 feet apart, wash your hands, mask up when you have to.
While 2020 was challenging to say the least, students reflected back on the year and shared the positive aspects.
As much as the previous year impacted us all differently, some people found the light in 2020.
I was Valeria, and something good that happened to me in 2020 was getting my license.
Hi, my name is Isaac, and one good thing that happened to me in 2020 was that I got my new Husky Beta.
Hi, I'm Mark, and something good that happened in 2020 was meeting new people.
Something good about 2020 for me was starting a brand new chapter and finding happiness within myself.
Schools were closed Monday to observe Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. Shafter High's Pride team put together a special presentation to honor the life and accomplishments of the civil rights leader. In the presentation, the team focused on the importance of dreaming in reference to Dr. King's I Have a Dream speech, which became one of the defining moments of the civil rights movement. The presentation also included some of Dr. King's most poignant quotes, information on who Dr. King was, and the importance of celebrating Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Culinary arts students are letting the flour fly in the kitchen.
Now our dough has rised for 30 minutes. Now we're going to do our egg wash, lightly spreading it over each dough.
Students in Syra Ovalis' baking class rolled up their sleeves for several hands-on assignments in their home kitchen. They were tasked with making dinner rolls and other sweet treats from scratch.
Combine milk, water, butter, and sugar in a bowl.
After some mixing, whisking, kneading, and baking, voila! The dinner rolls came out of the oven fresh and ready to eat. In another lesson, students learned the basics of cake decorating. They received kits with ingredients and tools to work from home and learned the importance of reading and following a recipe. The best part about it was there was cake for everyone in the house to enjoy. Ms. Olivalis says there's something gratifying about baking in normal home kitchens for the best customers anyone could ask for, your loved ones. Kudos to all of our virtual enterprise teams for taking their business plans to the next level at the recent virtual trade show. Centennial's firm Obsidian, Stockdale's firm Arachne Apparel, Ridgew's firm Sustainably Fresh, and Bakersfield High's firm Trekkers have been named the top 21 firms in the virtual enterprise Western region. The next round on February 2nd and 4th will determine the top 6 teams to move on to the National Business Plan competition in April. We wish all of the teams the best of luck. Finally, it was an emotional send-off as Mira Monte staff said goodbye and good luck to their beloved principal, William Sandoval, as he prepares to embark on a new journey. Staff surprised Mr. Sandoval with signs and loads of well wishes. The good news is he's not leaving the district. Mr. Sandoval was appointed the new Assistant Superintendent of Human Resources. Students Jasmine Desmond and Stardasia Davis got the opportunity to ask Mr. Sandoval a final few questions.
What was the most enjoyable part of your job?
So my most enjoyable part of my job is just being able to meet people and learn more about people and build relationships with people. So one thing I used to love to do in the mornings especially is stand out in the quad as kids are coming to school and just say hi to them and try to start conversations with students. I like doing that at lunchtime I used to stand out there and I would give Stardasia a hard time about the different songs she was playing. And I love that, being around the students, getting to know the students. And then secondly, I really love hiring staff and seeing our staff develop and be more confident in themselves and get more engaged. I'm super proud of all the staff that we have here.
Mr. Sandoval is saying goodbye to Mira Monte after serving 6 years as the principal. Thank you for watching KHSD News. For the latest stories and information from across the district, visit our website, kernhigh.org, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at KHSD_official. See you next time.